Bishop Twino Mujuni agambire bo bwabire na kinga ho rusuruko rw'abeja barukushoma by'edini ara Ankole Western University umurukabo weheshema municipality urumazire wiki yona umureberezi Johnson ayorekero kwatwaho ahabwa abantu abahindwire kanise cy'ubushubuzi.
There is what is called okushubuza ministry. Atekera cyo kikanye okuzo umukanisa dini yakweta tujirote nyewe oromu cyanyanga nyewe obura nyenda kumura yumukize ngumure okumura kimayise ngo oherize wajirota cyecho dini muri kure dini hakaba umwire mugashaka za kuregareba unatanga ministry what
abahuriye n'ababuruza bino rugezigezi Bishop abahira gabusha.
When I became bishop, one of the clergy came and said, Bishop, nani mushaba ngoma yo kunto onyeyo kugira kwanta nanyingira ikinaryaho ntoteje tanayinkaje ikinaryaho boldly nengoro ye natiri mureba izina nindo manya.
I think I've asked Reverend and the team abo bagama kanisa gabana ganirugombe kwa aga children and youth gaba gatagizire ministers bashongukire abakubasa kutereza foundation munji itubasa kubura kushikahari akishima
cyo kuba umwesugwa ni kimwe mu bintu bigenzere n'ubura umwihanga ryitu ahabwa abantu bamwe tubaruko no shotu ukorabo mbushuba umukwibo mukunyaganwe baratungire ibyenzeji.
Mugandi abikiriza umureberezi bwa West Rwenzori bashabirwa gukorera hamwe n'ekigenderwa cyo kutunguka ebi bigambirwa hamukorwa kujaguza umwaka gumwe ogwo bureberezi bwa West Rwenzori. Right Reverend Nason Baruku umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa South Rwenzori kandi obira y'umujyenyi mukuru ashabira abikiriza gukorera hamwe n'ebigenderwa byentunguka.
Speaking, West Rwenzori Diocese has all the capability, the capacity to develop, the capacity to move ahead, but I'm encouraging them to remain one person, work as a team. The more they work as a team, the more success and results they will register. And at the end of it all, West Rwenzori Diocese will grow.
Where Right Reverend Barnabas Tubijuka uri umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa West Rwenzori ayorekera intambe y'ubureberezi butira umwaka gumugubamara.
Here we have also dealt with physical development. We have worked on the perimeter wall at the Bishop's residence. We have purchased land. We have bought land, gardens of cocoa. We have bought Role. We have bought
Jane Arsemera Commissioner w'ikibina cyarwanyisiriza ohikira mukorogu ajumirira abazira baremerwa kushomesa abana babojo.
Most of the people I met, most of the students I met were girls. So I told them, why are we having more girls here? They said the boys have dropped out because of cocoa. They are buying for them boda. They are riding now. They feel the money the man of their father is theirs. So the girls are getting more educated. And I was saying it is going to be a big problem in Bodigubyo where you find more girls have got education and they are doing very well and the boys are just useless boys.
Gasha kwa mayi kwa tuachire hamwe na Gilbert Muhanguzi.